Good evening traders, welcome to 200forextips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 14th of May 2018. Okay guys, it was a very good day for trading and I'm going to start today's discussion from Euro USD. So this is the first pair of my signals report. This is the report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning. And Euro USD with the bullish expectation from 119673. So guys, I have supplied the signals before the London session. So we have seen a very good upward trend on Euro USD. And you can count the number of hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours we had a chance to make a profit on Euro USD. I have supplied the targeted price 120267. However, this does not hit, but overall it went up to 9960. So overall, those subscribers who have taken the bullish trade from 119673, they should have taken some good profits on the chart. Okay, now let's talk about the second pair of the day is New Zealand USD. A clear downward trend, bearish trend was supplied to the subscribers from the target from the entry point 069483, and New Zealand USD has first break the entry and it has just touched the targeted price in the same hour 069142. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions from 069483, they should have caught this downward profitable rally on New Zealand USD. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. It was a very easy signal from my side, the third consecutive signal that is hit as per the signals report. A bullish trend was supplied on Great Britain Pound USD from 135615, and you can see a significant upward trend on the pair, and it has just went near to the targeted price 136134. So overall, if you have taken the bullish trade from here, then you should have gained very good profits on this pair because it has went so many pips into the upward direction. So it has taken a smaller U-turn and finally then it went into the way that I have predicted in my signals report. Okay, now let's talk about the sell position on AUD USD. The signal hasn't fully expired. I'm going to talk about this. A bearish trend was supplied to the subscribers from 075427. Throughout the morning, the market was leaning on that level, and finally we have received a drop and the market has break the entry and the trade is triggered. So guys, if it continues to be down like this, then it can went up to 074830. You can see that I have already placed the trend line on my chart in the form of horizontal trend line. So guys, AUD USD is weak as per the expectation, so bearish chances can be on in the further hours. Okay, now let's talk about the downfall that we have received today on USD CHF. The entry was 099928 and we have seen a very significant downward trend on the pair. It has taken a smaller U-turn and then it hit the final targeted price that I have supplied in the signals report 099559. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions on the pair, they should have taken a very good profits on this pair. Ongoing trade that is on USD Canadian dollar, it hasn't fully expired at the moment. I have supplied the clear bullish trend in case of USD Canadian dollar. 127880 is the bullish entry, and you can see that I have set up the targeted price 128830. So guys, right now you can see that we have also received the buy signal from the scalper at the overbought levels, and you can see that the next candle is pumping up. So there are a lot of chances that USD Canadian dollar will make a recovery and it can proceed towards the targeted price 128830. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Moreover, for the newcomers, let me explain how to use the trading system. You need to buy the pair when it comes into the lower red boundary. Like you can see that when the market was at the lower red boundary, it starts gaining the momentum, it went upside, and when it goes into the top red boundary, then you can expect the downward trend. You can see that from here we have seen the sell signal from the scalper from the overbought levels, and then you can see the market was dropped down. So this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, price action monitor is here to help you. When it gives the red signal, it means you need to sell the pair, and when it gives the green signal, you need to buy the pair, and this is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the trading system that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then you need to email me on info@200forextips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can stay in touch with the latest 200 Forex Tips updates. And guys, share the analysis with other traders so that everyone can get the benefit from the services. Thank you for watching the video.